Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I want to show you what I'm doing this morning. I was in the process of preparing some apple crisp for the oven. Now, these are, and I should have shown that to you, but I actually didn't really think of it until now. These are some apples that I cooked with the peel on. I cooked them last week. And I had some homemade applesauce, and there's no sugar in the apples, no sugar in the applesauce. I had a small jar of it that didn't seal, and so I wanted to use that up as well. So I added it to the cooked apples, and these apples are just cooked in water. They're not fried apples, and there's no sugar added. So I thought I want to make some apple crisp. It's just a small dish to use for something sweet, a nice little sweet treat throughout this week. So I made some crumb topping, and all it's oats. It's a little bit of oats, a little bit of flour, some brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and a tablespoon or two of butter, and that's it. I just crumbed it up into this crumb topping. Really easy to make. It's not difficult. But I was going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees, and I thought, you know what, I don't want to heat up the oven for just that one thing. So I had some boneless, skinless chicken breast thawing in the refrigerator for the past couple days. These are some that I purchased at Fairway for $1.99 a pound, and I had them divide them up. So this package was $4.79. I'm going to put these in the oven as well, and I purchased them back in, let me see, July. So I've got some light olive oil heating in this skillet. I'm going to give them a quick sear, and then I'm going to put them in the oven along with the apple crisp, because I want to make good use of the oven while it's turned on. So I was going to make these ahead. I can eat these throughout the week. I can package them up if I want to and freeze them. I can do a myriad of things with them. So when I come back, I will show you what I've done. All I've done is just season them with salt and pepper and a little paprika for color. So I'm going to put these in the skillet. These are actually chicken breast halves, which is fine. These were purchased fresh at the time from Fairway, and then I've frozen them. So, okay, I'm going to brown these up, season them on this side, put them in the oven. I'll set the timer for 25 minutes for the apple crisp, and then continue cooking these for however long it takes. Okay, these are flipped over, and you can see they have a nice little sear on them. The reason I have seasoned them with just paprika, salt, and pepper is because I want to keep them fairly neutral, because I'm going to use them in different dishes. So I don't want to go crazy on the seasonings. I can season them with other things when I get ready to use them to make other meals. Okay? So now these are going to go in the oven at 350 degrees. The apple crisp is already in there. When everything is done, we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, my apple crisp is done, and it has been in there for, I actually set it for 25 minutes, but it has been in there for 35 minutes. So it looks pretty tasty. I'm looking forward to having this throughout the week. And now we are just waiting on the chicken. The chicken is done. It has been in there for right around 50 minutes. I did put some foil on the top of it to help keep the juices in. Now, it looks delicious to me. I don't know. What do you think? Put in the comments below and tell me what you think of this delicious chicken. Now, I'm going to let it cool off, and I'm going to cover it with foil so that to keep the juices in so it doesn't dry out. And you can see, nice and juicy. So these will be, once they're cool, I'm going to put them in individual plastic bags, and then I will put all of those bags in a large freezer bag and put them in the freezer. Okay, so that I can pull them out, give them a thaw, cut them up, eat them, slice them, do whatever I want to do with them. This is how, for the most part, I meal prep. It's just, I'm going to make these things. I'm going to divide them up. I'm going to keep them and use them throughout the days ahead. Okay, so here's my apple crisp. Here are the chicken breasts, and I think that's pretty good. Okay, that's it for me today. That's all I have for you. I just wanted to share that with you. I really didn't plan on making a video of this, but I just wanted to show you what I was up to. And you know what? It might help you a little bit. I just basically use what I have, and I think it's going to be delicious, and I can see a lot of future meals ahead. And I'm really looking forward to this apple crisp. I'm sorry that I didn't think of it earlier to show you how I did the crispy portion, but I think you guys can figure it out. You probably already know, or you're pretty savvy about stuff. You know how to do things. I know you do. All right, that's it. I love you guys. You know I do. And as always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and please comment. Your comments are so helpful. And I enjoy reading them and responding to them. Okay, love ya. Bye-bye.